How to sign up or log into Grindr dating app. So if you want to sign up, which means create an account or log in on the Grindr dating app, it's comparatively quite simple. First of all, you can open the Grindr app. By default, you will be on the login page. So you can log in with your email or you can log in with your phone number based on what is comfortable for you. So if you want to go ahead and log in with email, you want to type in your email address right here. Then after that, you want to go ahead and then type in your password, then tap the login button to log in. But for those users who do not have an account, you can see at the top right hand side an option that says sign up. So you just have to tap the sign up button from the very top right hand side. Here you have to just agree to the terms and services, and once you've done that, on the next page again agree to the terms and policies. Here you want to simply go ahead and then make sure to enter the month, the year, as well as the year and the date as well. Then tap the next option. Now you have to create an account. So there are many options. One is you can create an account using your email, create a password and an independent password, and agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on create account. But if you're not creative to do that, or you're not ready to do that, then you can also continue with your Facebook or your Google account. So instead of going through all this hassle of entering your details manually, you can tap on continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Simply select one of your account, which is the account that you'd like to create your Grindr account with. Then once you've done that, your Grindr account will be successfully created, after you of course enter a couple of your personal information such as your name, the last name, what you like, and so on. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.